So we start off today's video with this really cool entryway table. So she's basically taking like these stacks of blocks, she painted them, put them together. And I really love this orange coloring that she did for this. Such a fun table idea. Loving the geometrical shape, the color, just brilliant. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone that took a lampshade and turned it into a planter. What a cool idea. Especially if you have some old lampshades just laying around the house, you can always thrift those as well. And then we have someone doing a bit of a furniture flip with these chairs. They look kind of like salon style chairs. Oh, I love the burgundy color. So glad they decided to keep like that bold shade here. And they're just using them as like regular chairs around the house. Really cool idea. I like this person's style. Like their aesthetic, their whole vibe, definitely unique and different. But I'm not gonna lie, those chairs would not be comfortable sitting in the kitchen drinking tea with. I think that would more so work as like a decorative style chair. So then here we have someone DIYing a side table. So they're asking us which options do we like best. So here's one. 2, which pretty much just looks like a cutting board. Oh, I thought we were gonna see 3 options. Well, I definitely like 1 for sure. I feel like you can really hold like your cups and stuff on that versus 2. So here we have another furniture flip. It seems like people are always getting like their furniture pieces from Facebook Marketplace. Oh, this is such a pretty color. It's like a midnight blue. Such a unique shade. Wow, very pretty. They have like a very dark kind of like navy blue aesthetic. I like it though. I like dark aesthetics. So here we have someone else playing around with some bowls, some beads. Looks like they're adding in some texture. Spray painting them. Wow. Well, those look absolutely amazing. Then we have someone who looks like she has like some cement planters here. Oh, wow. Really pretty like side tables. I actually really like the cement color. I thought that looked really cool. You know what's great about this DIY is that you can put it outside too. Very nice. So we have someone revamping a chair. So they thrifted this, then they have the material. Most of the time when I see these kind of DIYs, people are using like blankets to do them. And they make it look so easy, but I know it is not. But very cute. I wonder if she made that side table too. Probably. Oh, an outdoor DIY. Okay. So we are definitely going to be putting together a DIY outdoor reaction. I think I have one from last year. But here we have someone making a fire pit. So they're using different kind of stones. This is such a cool idea because fire pits are so expensive. Very cool idea. I love it. I love the simplicity, and her backyard patio is just gorgeous. Look at that with the sunset. Oh, that is definitely a vibe. Beautiful. So here we have some cloud lighting. This would be great for like a child's room, and they can use it as like a nightlight, or if you just want like some ambiance in your room. You can use like different color lights and stuff. I think that would be really cool. Alright you guys, so I hope you did enjoy all the DIYs that were featured in today's video and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.